everyone, this is the most requested video for third-party manufacturing details. Okay. I have listed 6 third-party manufacturing companies for you with lower MOQ to higher MOQ. It covers CDSCO license to AYUSH license. Please watch till the end to know more details about each of these vendor. I'll put the details in the description box as well. I have listed all the details here in my tab. I'll read it out for you. The first one is Innovativa Cosmetic from Tamilnadu. They do loan license, consulting, but the MOQ is high. If you are not sure how to make a product, what to make a product for a target audience, they can help you out. The second one is Natures. Their MOQ is very less, 50 to 100. They have the CDSCO license from Tamil Nadu. Third one is Kiyas Naturals. Their MOQ starts from 75 kg. They have tie-up with 3 third-party manufacturing companies. They can do consulting, branding, marketing, you name it, they can do it all. The next one is aojas. They can make 100 units and above. They have AYUSH license, so all your Ayurvedic formulations can be covered under this, and they are from Hyderabad. Next one is Fabderma Life Sciences. Their MOQ starts from 250 and above. They have CDSCO license. I have verified it. I have verified the cost documents. They are from Thane, so they can make all the products for you. The last one is Magic Drop. Their MOQ is 50 kg and above. They are from Kolkata. They cannot make small quantities for you. Do note down the marketing budget before reaching out to them. Also note down the requirements, product formulation, ingredients, so that it can help you out. If you have any questions regarding this, please put in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.